down. Recording all around. Audio video sync here. A couple seconds. And keys. Okay. First off. Yep, got that good. Alright. Okay, audio video sync in 3, 2, 1. You know, I don't even know if this my camera's even facing where I need it to face. There we go. Let's see if I'm going like that. Yeah, that's way down. Oh man. There we go. Okay, so if I'm sitting here, I'm gonna have to go way up. Try right there. Got the new camera mount, so everything's discombobulated. I don't feel like firing up the Wi-Fi on the camera and the phone to use the GoPro app right at this moment. There we go. Gotta get out of here before the school traffic starts up. On some family property in Alberta, but they're not doing any oil production, so the remaining all the living members of the family get a royalty check, or a lease payment check, because there's no royalties going on right now since they're not extracting liquid natural gas right now. So it's like there's like 3 or 4 or 5 of us left alive, so it's like $20 each Canadian, which right now I think is about $15 American. hopefully the camera's aimed properly. We will see. I think I got it okay. And if not, we'll know better. Plus I got one other, this is the standard little mount clip with a short, not really an arm on it, but the short mount. I've got a longer one I want to try out that puts a little, like right up in front of the nose, so it's almost where the eyeballs are looking. Give it a little gas once in a while. Clear out the injectors. I got an itchy nose. Itchy nose. Should have just made an overpass for the pedestrians. That is mighty inconvenient. Okay. Oh, shit. Gotta leave, I guess, all that running, so I don't have to... Okay, resync anyways, so might as well shut her down. Off. And...